Point-to-point encryption is a major step forward in the way encryption is used to secure transactions and addresses key vulnerabilities in the retail transaction process. When a customer uses their credit card during a transaction, their card data enters a complicated ecosystem where devices and applications of differing levels of security are trusted to ensure the payment reaches the intended party. This ecosystem begins when a payment card is swiped through a card reader. The card reader captures the card data and transmits that data to the point-of-sale terminal. The point-of-sale terminal then encrypts the data and sends it on its way to a retail server. The retail server then decrypts the data, briefly exposes the data in the clear, and then re-encrypts the data for transmission to the payment gateway. Once at the payment gateway, the credit card information is decrypted again and sent to the bank for processing. Data is exposed several times throughout this process, leaving it vulnerable. Point-to-point encryption solves this problem. With point-to-point encryption, the payment card data is encrypted by a one-time encryption key as soon as the card is swiped at the card reader. The credit card information remains in the encrypted state as it moves into the point-of-sale terminal, then to the local server, and then to the payment gateway. The key used to encrypt the data is a highly secure one-time use key that is destroyed after use. The decryption keys are stored in an isolated hardware security module, or HSM, at the payment gateway. SafeNet's HSMs are at the foundation of the only point-to-point encryption solutions to be validated to date. Simply put, point-to-point encryption ensures credit card data remains in a consistent state of encryption throughout the entire payment process. To learn more about point-to-point encryption, visit safenet-inc.com/P2PE.
The world of e-banking is evolving, bringing new opportunities for financial institutions, but also many challenges. In this new world of e-banking, there are three important focus areas: risk, usability, and cost. Finding the complete solution is key. Meet Anderson. Anderson works for Jameson Bank as a technical product manager for their online services division. Anderson's successful deployment of secure bill payment to corporate clients made Anderson consider expanding his services to include fund transfers. But offering services that include higher value transactions comes with greater risk. Risk Anderson's current e-banking ecosystem wasn't prepared to handle. Now Anderson's excitement over service expansion turns to concern as a man-in-the-browser attack puts a high-value transaction at risk, leading to possible revenue loss and lawsuits. Different e-banking activities carry different levels of risk. With SafeNet, Anderson has access to a full range of solutions that extend protection from user identities to the transactions themselves. So the myriad of threats and security vulnerabilities that affect his e-banking ecosystem can be avoided. This is Benny. He works for Regional Bank and they are new to e-banking. When Benny planned their online services, his priority was to keep users secure. So he set up a system that would protect even the most intense e-banking users. Unfortunately, it was a general solution applied to all e-banking situations, forcing customers who are just checking account balances to go through the same authentication process as a customer conducting a funds transfer. This was too complicated for most users to navigate, and Benny's staff couldn't keep up with the customer support calls, causing a lot of customers to leave. And that's not good. Different e-banking activities have different customer usability and security needs. With SafeNet, Benny can match the right protection methods to the right activity, improve the user experience, which means that he has satisfied customers and fewer headaches for his support staff. Now say hello to Claire. She's a program manager for Nova Bank. Claire was happy with her current authentication platform. It addressed her current needs and customers could easily and securely navigate the system. However, Claire quickly realized it was taking a lot more effort to manage when she was unable to integrate the new user types with more intense security requirements into her current platform. Now working with multiple systems, Claire needed to add more staff to manage the process, causing operating costs to skyrocket. E-banking services require a future-ready platform that can scale to meet new service demands while controlling cost. For Claire, SafeNet's central management system and easy-to-integrate APIs allow for minimal effort on the management side, even as she expands her services and introduces new authentication methods. This keeps her staff optimized and her operating costs low. Anderson, Benny, and Claire all needed a complete solution for their e-banking strategies. They needed SafeNet. SafeNet's identity and transaction protection ecosystem helps achieve the right balance of risk mitigation, cost-effectiveness, and usability. Now that Anderson, Benny, and Claire have solved their risk, usability, and cost issues by turning to SafeNet, they can go back to doing what they do best: growing their e-banking business, delivering a positive customer experience, and driving revenue.